Hey guys, I got this volcano kit for Christmas. Let's set it up and watch it erupt. The Discovery Underwater Volcano kit recreates one of nature's aquatic furies. With the help of mom or dad, kids can make their very own volcanic eruption. So now let's open the box. The Discovery kit comes with almost everything you need for one eruption. The kit comes with this aquarium, this set of instructions, a volcano, a backdrop for the aquarium, hook dots, one fizzing tablet, and this volcano fun facts poster. First we put the fizzing tablet inside the volcano. Next we put the hook dots on the bottom of the volcano. This will keep the volcano from floating when you're in step 3. Put the volcano inside the aquarium and get ready for step 2. Next we're going to attach the backdrop to the aquarium with 3 pieces of tape. Now we need to add the water. First remove the volcano and then fill the aquarium up 3/4 of the way with water. Now let's watch this thing erupt. My dad's going to put it in and let's use the fizzy ball to make bubbles. The eruption lasted over 2 minutes. 2 minutes! Man, that was so cool. I wonder what they look like in real life.
Damped under the gas pressure of magmatic gas. And the magmatic gas, we presume, is mostly water. And when the water is under the magma, that magmatic temperature is thousands of degrees. And when it suddenly cools by coming in contact with the seawater, the bubble bursts.
But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.